Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Grady-White 336 Canyon. Outside hull color is Cape Gray. This boat is powered by a twin Yamaha 425 4-strokes with the Grady-White custom paint. Also, this boat has blue LED underwater lights. As we come into the boat, you'll see a refrigerated transom fish box and cooler box, bait storage, very spacious transom fold-down bench seat in the back, cockpit door with a ladder that slides in. Here you're going to find we ordered the boat with a dual live well options here and here with a freshwater sprayer. You've got knife holders, plier holders, and spots for your lures. Lockable drawers and more storage for tackle. Up top, you'll see this boat does have the electric sure shade off the hardtop. As we come around, you'll see the 3-row seating here at the helm. This boat's going to be equipped with a Yamaha Helmmaster joystick with set point, digital controls, trim tabs with indicator, Yamaha digital gauges, Ritchie compass, AC heat here at the helm, bow thruster, and fusion stereo. You'll notice the full glass windshields and the opening vent. And this is also painted and not powder coated. As we make our way up to the front, inside the cabin area is also AC controlled. It's a place to lay down. Coming up in the bow area, you'll see very large seating, flip up backrest, and finally up in the bow, you'll see a recessed anchor windlass. That'll conclude our walkthrough of the 2020 Grady-White 336 Canyon. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.